Hi, this is Rory and Liam and Roshi. Liam, tell us about Liam's problem.
Liam had encephalitis when he was 4.
Yes.
And as a result has epilepsy and behavioural issues, communication issues.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And had a lot of high temperatures off and on.
Okay,
Yeah.
and
Rory has had a cough since November last year. It's recurrent since he was a baby, really.
Right,
but
okay.
it hasn't gone since November, and it's deep in his chest, and he's been off school for weeks, had 4 steroids and 4 antibiotics, or maybe 5 steroids at this stage.
Right, okay.
So he's been fairly poorly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we can update in a week or 2 and see the progress. And hopefully we will have progress. We'll be hoping to see his cough reduce and maybe an improvement with Lennon as well. So thanks very much for going over it, and we'll update when we see you again.
All right, okay.
If that's
great.
okay.
Yeah, brilliant.
Interesting, yes. And thank you, Grace.